How do you create a big enough vision that makes you hungry, right? Because not everybody has a vision. That's what I want to say first and foremost. So not everybody has a vision. So you got to look at yourself first and foremost and be like, what do I believe in? What are my core values? Why did I get started in business? Why did I get started in online marketing, doing any kind of online business? What was my reasoning for it? Because at one point or another, you felt like there was a big enough reason for you to venture into business, venture into affiliate marketing, venture into making money online, venturing into having your own. So at one point or another, what was that reason that brought you to this point? What was that reason? What did you dream of? What did you think about when you first got started? That's what you really have to think about when you're in business and you're really thinking about quitting. Because if you quit, you're going to stay in the same exact situation that you're currently in. Does that situation, is it in favor of you? Or is it a situation that you're not in favor of? That scares the fuck out of me, because I know that the alternative is worse than what you have. So if your alternative is worse, that should be your motivation, right? What is your alternative? Your alternative should create that bigger vision for you. The alternative should be your motivating factor. What is the alternative? And do you want the alternative? You've been living this way for how many years now? How many years have you been living like this? And are you okay with it? Are you satisfied? Are you happy with this life? If the answers to your question, or if the answers to those questions are no, then you simply have to realize your vision. And your vision, as you're listening to this, should be getting bigger, because you know that the alternative is worse. You know that if you don't build this business, if you don't make it happen, you know the alternative is just going back where you were. Staying held back. Do you want to be held back, or do you want to move forward? What do you want your vision to be? Do you want to accomplish it? Do you want to be able to spend more time with your family? Do you want to be able to go places with your friends? Do you want to no longer have to worry about money and financial situations? How do you want your life to be? What is that whole idea that you have in your head? What is the whole blueprint? As Tony Robbins would say, what is the blueprint, and does it match what you see in your head? Does your current situation match the whole blueprint? Or is it different? Is it off? Right? So you got to ask yourself, what is your alternative, and what is the blueprint that you have in mind? If you don't have a vision, those should be the reasons that create the vision for you. What is it that you want out of life? What do you want out of life? Why do you do what you do? Those should be the reasons. Do you know why you do what you do? Do you know what you want out of life? Have you written it down on paper? Have you spoken it into existence? What are those motivating factors for you? If you don't have any motivating factors, then I would have to say that something has to motivate you. What motivates you to do what you do? Is it family? Is it kids? Do you have kids? Is it your family? Is it people that you love? What motivates you to do what you do? What motivates you to keep going? That's what you really have to ask yourself. And if you can ask yourself those questions, you could definitely know what you want out of life. You could definitely create a big enough vision to keep you going, just by knowing that you don't want the alternative. What is the alternative? What is the alternative to you? That's what you have to ask yourself. So if the alternative is not favorable, if it's not something that you want, then you have to really ask yourself, what do you want? Where do you belong in life? What do you see yourself doing? What can you picture yourself doing for the rest of your life that you would enjoy? Right? Those are really important things, and you have to be very, very clear on your goals and what you want out of life. Because if you're not clear on it, you're never going to get it. You have to be very, very clear on what you want. And it's very, very important. If you want it, if you truly want it, you're going to be clear on it. If you're not clear on it, you don't truly want it. So you have to write it down. You have to be consistent. You have to think about it daily. You have to manifest it by thinking about it daily and speaking it into existence. So those are the main things that you need to do to actually have success in your life and in your business, and actually improve yourself, because you are the business and you are capable of whatever you want. There's no such thing as lack. The only lack is in your brain, right? So if you feel like there's a lack, the only lack is internally.